Mama's back there playing some Dragon Link. Had to holler at her to come over. All right, come on. You're watching Bama Jana Slides. All right, I am back on Lightning Cash. This high limit best bet at Harrah's Gulf Coast. Gonna do, let's see, the 10 cent $5 bet. Oh, almost got the bonus. It's $5 on 50. Down there at the 50 is $5. But if you do the 5 cents, it'll be $2.50. Oh, I thought it was 5. Oh. I thought they were 5. I don't know. I'm thinking of those Dragon Links back there. If you get what? It'll be a $5. Yeah. Oh, come on, come on, come on. Let's get a bonus. I don't think I've got a hold and spin yet. Come on, I've been hitting pay lines and free games, but no hold and spins that I can recall. Shit. Oh, come on. Oh, come on. Oh my God. Keep getting 2 of those jokers. All right, come on, come on. Bonus time. Let's go, baby. Paid $10. The Kings did too. Let's go! Oh, there we go. Come on, come on. Oh, no way. It's teasing like way too much and I'm not liking it. Come on. Come on, come on. I don't like it when Best Bet teases like this. Come on, come on. $100 mini. Come on. Oh, hit it. Oh, man. I just don't hit it. I keep getting 2 of these.
Is that a mom?
Yeah. That's the free games. Best Bet is just not doing it tonight. I can usually always count on Best Bet. Got another 10 on her. Come on, bonus. Come on, 2 more. Or just 1.5. Let's see if we can. Come on, come on. Yes, let's hit it on this lucky chance spin. Let's go. Oh no. Not gonna get it this time. Ooh, got it, got it. Let's go, let's go. Hit it. Oh, man. $1 bet on dollar denom. Ooh, man. They still pay. Alright, come on. Oh, come on. Oh, a lot of times it'll reboot too. Oh, come on, come on. Oh, come on. Oh, nothing. Come on. Flag, flag. Oh. Oh man! Come on, hit something good. Last game, last game. Oh man, that was not a good moment. Alright, I'm gonna play some Mummy. It's high limit at Harrah's Gulf Coast. 5 cent denom, so $3.75 bet. Oh my God, I just put my fingers in some cigarette ashes. It's like right there. How gross. Alright. Let's just play some damn Mummy. What? Wait a minute. Where's our... There we go. Let's get loud, baby. Let's get loud. Come on. Give me that Mummy. I gotta get straightened up. There we go. Come on. Give me that Mummy. he's kind of big. Let me scoot back so you can see all those. Oh, come on, come on. Oh, oh man. I thought it was gonna blow. Oh wow, that one got big too. Oh yes, hit it. Come on, both of them. Oh, they're all three big now. Come on. Oh. Oh, didn't get a line hit. Come on. Oh, all three. Come on. Ah. Where's the little mummy? Come on, mummy. Come on, let's get a haywire, mummy. Oh. I just played this recently for the first time in Tunica, and it was so fun. I've been watching people playing it on all the different slot channels, and I had so much fun playing it myself, and I wonder why I haven't done it yet. Come on. Ooh, come on. Oh, come on, come on, come on. Come on, something's got to pop. Come on. Oh, come on. Let's go, let's go. Come on, come on. Oh, yes. Hit it, hit it, hit it. Come on, hit it. Yes! Oh, Mama got the bonus. Mama's back there playing some Dragon Link. Had to holler at her to come over. All right, come on. Have you seen this before? Have you seen this bonus before? So you have to get the green ones to fill up, and then it gets bigger and bigger. So this is 5 cents. Come on, yes, yes! So you don't get the coins if they're not inside his box, but you get the green ones. And then he'll get bigger as you get more of the green. And you got so many spins. Oh, come on, no dead spins, come on. Green, green! Oh, got one. All right, got 2 more spins to get 1 more green. Come on, green, 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 yes! Oh, look at those! That's 5 cents. Yes, so he's gonna get bigger and you get more spins. I need a water. That's $50-something. It's times 5. Yes. Yeah, so that's $200 already. Times 5. Yes. Yes. 3 more spins. We need 1 green on each spin at least. At least. Come on. Come on. Green. Yes. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. All right. Come on. Green, 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 baby. Green. Oh, another 11. Oh, no green. Yes, as long as it's inside his box. All right, we need 2 green. 2 green. Come on. Oh, this is not good. Oh, I got 1. Oh, man. That's $300. Woo! 310, yeah. 310. Woo! No. I was betting minimum on 5 cent denom. Yeah. That was a really good bonus. Woo! So $3.75 net. And got $300. $311. Woo! That $200 ticket. No, 100. Yeah, because I lost 100 on Golden Gone over there. Yeah. All right, that was awesome. So I'm gonna play it to 300 and cash out. So the mummy, when he hits on the first reel, you just have to get at least 1 green for it to trigger that bonus.
So what do you do if you hit that blue jackpot?
It does where you pick for the progressives. Yeah. So that's gonna, it's gonna build it up and trigger it eventually. If you get 3 of those, if you get 3 free games, it automatically triggers the free games. The pay lines don't really do that good. All right, come on. Yeah, that was a pretty good bonus. Need to get some more of that. That mummy bonus is so fun though. Oh, come on. Oh, he's shaking. He's ready to pop. And you can also have a haywire where the mummy will march across the screen and give you a bonus.
This one over here is hit on the free game.
Oh, wow. And see, that can trigger that bonus I just did. It can trigger it anytime. Oh, come on, come on! Oh, they're so big. That jackpot, though, it's shaking. A few more spins. Come on, come on. Pop that jackpot. Come on. All right. I don't want to bet anymore. It'll take me under those 300. High limit. Cashing out. Dragon Link. Look at that grand. Oh my God. If we could win that grand jackpot, wouldn't that be beautiful? All right. I'm going to do some $5 bets on 10-cent denom. Let's see. Is it 50? Okay. Got it. Oh, come on. Don't tease that on the first spin. That's $75 ball right there. Oh my God. Oh, oh, oh.
See, wow.
Yeah. And that flag is the bonus. We need 3 of those. Come on. $1. Come on. Let's go bonus. Oh, $100 mini. Oh, flag. Oh. I don't think it's going to give us anything. Why is it teasing like this? All right, 14 bucks on those little things. Come on, flag. Come on, bonus. Let's go. Let's go. Ooh. Oh, man. Oh, it's teasing so much. Let's go. Come on, bonus. Ooh. Man. Decent little line hit. All right. Oh, come on, come on, come on. Oh, nothing. Let's go. Come on. All right, he's the biggest symbol on this game. Oh, no. Come on, let's go bonus. Let's go bonus. Ah.
Jana.
Jana. Ooh, what? What? That was a good hit. Ooh, $71. That was a good hit. I mean, I'll take those line hits if it'll keep doing that instead of bonuses. I really want a bonus though. Get one of those up there. Oh man, didn't get that reel there to connect. Still a decent hit. Yeah, I can't complain. These line hits are doing it. Come on, come on. Oh. Oh. man. These wilds. Man, I know. Just keeps hitting those line hits. Oh, come on. Ah. You want to sit? Here, come here. Here, sit down. Sit down. Oh, we need a flag. 2 flags.
You hit it because I don't want it. I ain't doing no good hitting it.
Alright, come on, come on. Oh, let's go. Oh, that's $250. Oh my God, that's a $500 miner. It's teasing, Mama. It's teasing us. Oh my God. It's teasing so much. Come on. Hit it. Ugh. Come on, come on. Something's got to hit. Come on. Ugh. Come on, flags. Nothing. Give me another line hit then. Oh! No! So close. All right, flags. Ah. It's not gonna get it. Oh man, come on, come on. Come on. Alright, that hit. Come on. Oh! Flag, flag, flag! Oh, it just went by. Man. We cannot get a bonus on this Dragon Link. Come on. Alright. Got it. Lucky chance spin winner. Let's go. Get that bonus on the lucky chance. Hit it. Hit it. Oh, man. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Bama Jana Slots now to see more.